It's a new morning. Time to get ready for breakfast. But first, I need to decide what I will eat. I have a few choices today. Cereal, toast, or eggs? Which should I choose? Since I'm running late, I think I will go with cereal today. It's quick and easy. First, I put some cereal in the bowl. Then, I pour the milk over it. Now I just wait for the cereal to settle. It's a quick process, but I still need to make sure the cereal is ready. What if I had chosen toast? What if I had chosen eggs? Now I have a quick, delicious breakfast ready. My choice has been made, and now it is time to enjoy the breakfast. Making decisions and repeating tasks results in a ready breakfast.